Previously on Lightning. Hero's Life. Heroes do not resist. Now go!
Why didn't you allow me to finish him?
He's just an amateur. He doesn't even know if he's gonna become a speedster.
That's the thing, I want to kill him before he becomes one.
Why?
Last time I checked, I killed all good speedsters.
Are you sure?
I'm from the future, come on! How old do you think I am? 17?
No, not me.
Wait, how are you even not going to hurt him that bad?
You did not let me introduce myself.
So who are you?
I'm Speedy. I'm a real demon, but not the type of demon you think. I saved him at that point in time because I felt a surge of electricity.
Why didn't you allow me to finish him if you call yourself a demon?
He has a bright future.
Yeah, I know, I saw that. There's something I want to tell you I saw in the future.
What did you see? Don't let me shoot. Who are you?
I didn't like the mood in class today. Why did I behave in class today?
Let me walk with you.
Don't walk me home. Okay, tell me what is up.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't.
Why did I behave in class today?
Let me walk with you.
Don't walk me home. Okay, tell me what is up.
Just shout. Speedy.